in chemical equilibrium. Good evening students. In chemical equilibrium, now I want to explain about the effect on K equilibrium. The effects on K equilibrium constant. For this, in IIT 2006 one question is given, that is silver plus ammonia gives to silver diammonia, that is K1. If again silver ammonium plus is reacts with one more ammonia, they will form silver diammonium plus. K equilibrium K2 is equal to 1.7 into 10 power minus 3. Find the formation constant for silver diammonium plus. By adding these two, by addition of these two, what will happen? This again, this cancel. This silver plus 2 ammonia, they will form silver diammonium. In this case, we add, by adding the two equations, we get the K1 into multiply this their rate constants. Then K1 is given, K2 is given 3.5 into 5 into 1.7, that is equal to 6.08 into 10 power minus 6. 6.08 into 10 power minus 6. This is the answer. By addition of any two reactions, we multiplied their rate of reactions, their rate constants, that is in case equilibrium constants, we get the final equilibrium. For example, you write the Unmore effect, that is temperature, that is one of the mode of representation of the reaction, that is the depends upon the K equilibrium constant. And also one more important effect, that is temperature. K equilibrium is constant for a given reaction at a particular temperature. This is the one of the very important reaction. Log K2 by K1 is equal to delta H by 2.303 into R 1 T2 minus T1 by T1 T2 multiplication. K2 means T2 temperature equilibrium constant, K1 is T1 at equilibrium constant, T2 always greater than T1. Delta H is the enthalpy of the reaction, heat. If delta H is equal to 0, enthalpy change is 0, log K2 by K1 is equal to 0, that in that case there is no effect, either temperature increases or decreases, K equilibrium constant is no effect, okay, that is K2 is equal to K1. If delta H is negative means exothermic reactions, means is less than 1, log K2 by K1 is less than 0, K2 is less than K1. If temperature increases, the rate constant of K2 is, what will happen? Decreases. Temperature increases, the rate of the reaction will be decreases. If delta H is positive, means greater than or equal to 0, that is endothermic reactions. Here K2 is greater than, temperature increases, what will happen? K rate of reaction will decreases. For log K versus temperature graph, this is increases means endothermic reactions, decreases means exothermic reactions.